Hello everyone! Let's eat potato marble at pinatisang liempo. Boil the baby potatoes. After boiling, ilagay na natin yung butter, garlic, then harina. After that, haluin natin at isunod natin yung water. Pakuluin lang ng konti. Ilagay na natin yung mushroom. Haluin po ulit. After haluin, ilagay na natin yung ground pepper and salt. Then yung milk. Haluin po ulit. After that, ilagay na natin yung cheese and dried parsley. Haluin po ulit. Then pakuliin. At ilagay na natin yung baby potatoes. Then done! Ngayon naman po, gawin na natin yung pinatisang liempo. Hiniwa ko lang siya. Then pinaghalo-halo ko lang yung patis, garlic, vinegar, liquid seasoning, water. Nilagyan ko rin siya ng cornstarch at harina. Ground pepper. Then, hinalo ko lang lahat yung mga ingredients. Then, fry! Ingat po tayo lahat! Thank you for watching! Bye!